Hi everyone, I am Dr. Deepak VK from Rural Dental College, Loni, working as reader in the department. The title of my innovation is Pravara Tent, an innovative, simple, modified, novel protective device to control aerosol in dental clinics for fixed prosthesis during the COVID-19 pandemic. Many dental procedures use modern devices like an air rotor and ultrasonic scaler, which generate aerosols and droplets. In prosthodontics, tooth preparation is common procedure which generate more aerosols for longer time. The dental procedures cannot be performed without the above devices. The ways commonly available today to control aerosols are suction, saliva ejectors, but it does little to control aerosols. In this COVID-19 pandemic, the expensive filters like HEPA, that is high efficacy particulate air, are available, but they are not easily available in rural setup and they are expensive for everyone. That means they are not economical for everyone. So this is the HEPA filter which is placed in the dental clinics, but the problem with it is that it is not easily available in the rural areas and it is expensive. There are many diseases, for example, severe acute respiratory syndrome, tuberculosis, influenza, and viral infections, which spread through droplets. So management of this infection control procedures for aerosols is mandatory in dental clinics. A novel human coronavirus, that is severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, also can be transferred through droplets and splatter. The COVID-19 pandemic has led to the manufacturing of the novel devices to protect the dentist from the risk of the transmission. According to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, the occupations that are involved with aerosols production fall into category of very high risk. Since dentistry falls under this category, the section Implement Workplace Controls Engineering Controls recommends that dental practice installs negative pressure rooms or airborne infection isolation rooms for the operatories in which procedures involving aerosols will be performed. The dental practice all over the world is affected by current COVID-19 condition, that is pandemic. This novel COVID-19 mainly spreads and transmits between human to human via respiratory droplets and contacts. So there should be preventive measures to control aerosols and splatter in the dental practice other than the routine measures. The manufacturing of novel devices to minimize aerosols and to protect dentists from the risk of the transmission in this COVID-19 pandemic is the primary aim of the researchers. One of the examples is the aerosol box for use in intubation. The manufacturing of these aerosol boxes needs high-grade, expensive acrylic sheets with different tools to cut it with precision. They are difficult to disinfect because they are made of hard acrylic and their raw material is not easily available. In comparison to the above, that is this aerosol boxes, the Pravara tent is economical, can be easily made with polyvinyl chloride pipes. It is modified design of previously used aerosol boxes. So these are the required materials for the Pravara tent. This is the assembled tent which can be used to control the aerosols during tooth preparations. The Pravara tent is an attempt to reduce the aerosols and reduce the risk of cross-infection, exposure between patients and clinicians during COVID-19. The tent was named Pravara as it was modified and named by authors at place called Pravara Hospital. Pravara tent is made up of disposable, clean wrapped plastic wrapping paper, PVC polyvinyl chloride pipes, pipe framework covering the patient from head to chest area with the attachment for the drape providing further coverage. These are the dimensions of the Pravara tent. The base width is around 40 centimeter to accommodate shoulder of the patient. Height on the side of the patient's head is around 38 centimeter to accommodate the head of the patient, and the angle or bend is given on the upper roof part of the tent to accommodate hands of the operators. That is, bend is around 23 centimeter towards the patient's head and 50 centimeter towards the chest of the patient. The height of the tent towards the patient's chest is around 15 centimeter. The additional features that can be added to the tent are like hangers for the drape, suction, to attach an aerosol suction device to absorb droplets and splatter. An extra 4 centimeter hole can be made on the top surface of the tent. The transparent sheet covering the tent will also have two circular openings on this side so that it will be easy to work for the operator and the assistant. The tent is simple in design, easy to assemble, economical as it is made up of cheaper PVC pipes and has modified design of previously used expensive aerosol boxes. The design of the tent has reduced base so that it will have a proper gap of 25 centimeter from the spittoon and the armrest for proper adaptation of the tent. The tent, due to simple design with transparent disposable, clear to see through with details and has a self-closing access points, allowing easy hands in and around the patient's airway with full line of sight for dental staff. After every patient, the transparent wrap paper is disposed and the frame can be cleaned and autoclaved with proper precautions with proper autoclaving temperatures. So this is the patient on the dental chair where tent is placed. Now, dentists can have multiple tents in their clinics as material required for tent is easily available and economical. Assembly of the tent consists of PVC pipes of proper measurements and clear transparent wrap paper. It takes less time to assemble, significantly lighter in weight, cheaper than hard box solutions, and easy to disassemble for transportation, storage, and disposable in standard waste bins. The prototype of this tent was tried at Pravara Institute of Medical Sciences, Rural Dental College with dental staff and conducted the aerosol generating dental procedures like tooth preparation, scaling, endodontic procedures. All reported that this tent is safe, comfortable, and easy to install in rural setup. Easy to install rural setup. It will be helpful in all kinds of dental treatment like endodontic procedures, ultrasonic scaling, tooth preparation, and patients with asthma or medical problems, as it designs consists of an access opening for working hands. In the rural setup of dental clinics, due to limited resources, this tent will be of great help. But there are certain drawbacks to this tent that it will increase dental treatment time, some discomfort to the patient with restricted movement initially, and obstruct the way to dental procedures like minor surgeries like disc impactions, mandible fracture cases, periodontal flap surgeries. But in these COVID-19 conditions, these limitations or drawbacks can be neglected as protection is the first line of treatment for the patient and clinicians. In conclusion, I would like to say that the Pravara tent is an innovative novel protective device which can be used to control aerosols generated from air rotor and ultrasonic scaler to reduce transmission of the diseases between clinicians and patients. This tent is simple, modified, and economical. Future consideration for this tent, it can be taken that the modification can be done in certain areas of this tent so that in future line of the treatments, this Pravara tent can be used by many practitioners. Thank you.